Welcome to the video tutorial series that we will learn about the features of PrimeLister. Today, we will learn how to use the relisting feature in the Poshmark automation. Let's see what we can do with the relisting feature in the PrimeLister extension. You can relist your items from scratch completely. PrimeLister, unlike many of its competitors, does not use the copy feature of Poshmark to relist your items so that the new listing that is published when you relist using PrimeLister will be placed under the Just In category on Poshmark. You can relist all listings, the listings on the first page of your closet, or the specific listings you manually selected from your closet. You can start the relisting process instantly as well as schedule it to begin at a specific time later. You can schedule one-time or recurring tasks to relist your items easily. You can update the prices of your listings optionally when relisting. You can update the prices of your listings optionally when relisting based on their actual prices or lowest historical prices. You can drop or increase the prices of your listings optionally when relisting. You can update the prices of your listings optionally when relisting based on a specific percentage or amount. You can optionally filter your listings that will be relisted. You can use single or multiple filters. If you use filters, the listings that match your filter criteria are relisted. The listings that do not match your filter criteria are not relisted. You can add the following filters. Filter by age and days of listing. Filter by date of the listing. Filter by number of likes of listing. Filter by lowest historical price of listing. Filter by current price of listing. Filter by minimum net earning of listing. Filter by condition of listing. Let's see step by step how to relist on Poshmark automatically using the PrimeLister extension. Navigate to your Poshmark closet page on your browser. Open the drawer menu in the PrimeLister extension. Click on the Poshmark Assistant tab from the menu. Click on the Relist button on the Poshmark Assistant tab. Customize the relist settings. Select which part of your items you want to relist. Select the All Listings option if you want to relist all items from your closet. Select the First Page Only option if you want to relist the first 48 items on the first page of your closet. Select the Selected Listings option if you want to relist the items you manually selected from your closet. Select whether to update the prices of your items or not while relisting. Select the Yes option if you want to update the prices of items that will be relisted. Select the No option if you do not want to update the prices of items that will be relisted. If you selected the Yes option in the Update Price when relisting box, customize the sub-settings. Select the reference price that will be used to determine the new price. Select the Actual Price option if you want to update the prices of your listings based on their actual prices. Select the Lowest Historical Price option if you want to update the prices of your listings based on their lowest historical prices. Select whether to drop or increase the prices of the items that will be relisted. Select the Drop Price option if you want to drop the prices of your listings. Select the Increase Price option if you want to increase the prices of your listings. Select whether to update the price by a percentage or a monetary amount. Select the Percentage option if you want to update the prices by a percentage. Select the Amount option if you want to update the prices by an amount. Input either a percentage or an amount by which the price of the items that will be relisted will be discounted or added up. Add filters to include or exclude specific listings while relisting your items. Only the listings that match the filter conditions will be relisted. The listings that do not match the filter conditions will be skipped. Switch on the Filter by Age and Days of Listing toggle and input the day range if you want to filter your listings by the age of the listing. Remember that only the items that have been active for a time between the day range you inputted in the filter will be relisted. Switch on the Filter by Date of the Listing toggle and select the Start Date and End Date if you want to filter your listings by their published date. Remember that only the items that have been published within the date range you inputted in the filter will be relisted. Switch on the Filter by Number of Likes of Listing toggle and input the like range if you want to filter your listings by the number of likes the listings have. Remember that only the items that have likes within the like range that you inputted in the filter will be relisted. Switch on the Filter by Lowest Historical Price of Listing toggle and input the lowest historical price range if you want to filter your listings by their lowest historical prices. Remember that only the listings that had the lowest historical price within the price range that you inputted in the filter will be relisted. Switch on the Filter by Current Price of Listing toggle and input the current price range if you want to filter your listings by their current prices. Remember that only the listings that have the current price within the price range that you inputted in the filter will be relisted. Switch on the Filter by Minimum Net Earning of Listing toggle and customize the subsettings if you want to filter your listings by the minimum net earning the listing will bring after updating the price. Remember that only the listings that could bring a net earning within the minimum net earning range that you inputted in the filter after updating the price will be relisted. Select the price filter measure that will be used in the calculation of the minimum net earnings of the listings. Select the percentage option if you want the minimum net earnings of the listings to be calculated based on a percentage. Select percentage of that will be used in the calculation of the minimum net earnings of the listings. Select the current listing price option if you want the minimum net earnings of the listings to be calculated based on the current listing prices. Select the lowest historical price option if you want the minimum net earnings of the listings to be calculated based on the lowest historical prices. Input the percentage based on which the minimum net earnings of the listings will be calculated. Select the amount option if you want the minimum net earnings of the listings to be calculated based on an amount. Input the amount based on which the minimum net earnings of the listings will be calculated. Switch on the Filter by Condition of Listing toggle and select which conditions to be included if you want to filter your listings by their condition. Remember that only the listings that have conditions matching your selections in the filter will be relisted. Click on the Relist Items button. Once you clicked on the Relist button, you will see a confirmation pop-up. Confirm the relist task. Click on the Yes Relist Now button if you want the relisting task to be executed immediately. Click on the Schedule Task button if you want the relisting task to be executed later. If you are scheduling the task for later, you will see a date and time picker. Select the date and time you want the relisting task to be executed. Activate the Every Day at this time option in the Date and Time Picker window if you want the relisting task to be executed recurrently in accordance with your predefined settings. Click on the Schedule Relist button to complete scheduling the relisting task. PrimeLister will open a new tab in your browser automatically to execute instant and scheduled relisting tasks. Do not close this tab. It will be closed automatically when the task has been completed. View your relisting tasks under the Relist Tasks tab in the Tasks box on the Poshmark Assistant tab of the PrimeLister extension. You can view your executed instant and scheduled relisting tasks under the Completed tab of the Tasks box on the Listing Actions page. You can view your scheduled relisting tasks under the Scheduled tab until the time they will be executed. The relisting task is shown with the missed badge in the Scheduled tab if a scheduled task has not been executed because your extension was not online at the task execution time. That's how easy it is to relist your items on Poshmark using PrimeLister. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial video.